Hi, Carol. Why are you all dressed up?
Oh, hi, John. Bill and I are going to a play tonight. My daughter is the lead actress.
Oh, really? How exciting.
This will be her first performance. She is a drama student in college and she got the lead role.
I'd love to see her perform someday. Let me know when she will be on stage again.
Okay, I will. I'm so excited and proud of her.
Is she nervous?
Yes, she is very nervous, but she loves acting, so this will be a true test for her.
Is this part of her school assignment?
No, that is something she auditioned for on her own.
She won the lead part?
Yeah, she was shocked. Her drama professor is coming too.
How does she feel about that?
She's more nervous about her drama professor than the rest of the audience.
But she's not going to be graded on it?
Yeah, but she wants to do well in front of him.
I understand. Well, have a lovely time tonight.